Good morning students, this is science video. We were doing revision of chapter number 8 and we have done reptiles, fish and animals that give birth to their babies. Today we are starting with the page number 70 and your topic was remaining in animal that give birth to their babies. I have explained about the dolphin, whales and their features, what how they are different from other animals, but in page number 70 you will get to know about that mammal which lays egg and has the exceptional features which survive them inside the water. Clear? So come to the page number 70 and you will see the paragraph. After seeing this video you have to just read this paragraph and understand. If you have any doubt you can ask me in the WhatsApp. Clear? So today we are starting with the page number 70. So come to your science book and open the page number 70. So this is page number 70. As you can see the pictures given over here, it is about the kangaroo. That is, when a baby kangaroo Joy is born, it is a smaller than your bigger toe. The tiny jaw crawls to the mother pouch and develops there. As you can see that they have the pouch near their belly. They are having the baby inside the pouch, and in that pouch that baby gets developed over there. Clear? So it is in case of kangaroo. The Joy is the name, or Joy is the baby which is called as Joy of kangaroo. Clear? So it is smaller than your big toe. Means पाँव की जो उंगलियां होती हैं वो उससे भी छोटा होता है उसका बच्चा, और वो पाउच के अंदर ही सरवाइव करता है और डेवलप करता है. क्लियर? जैसे ही वो मैच्योर हो जाता है वो उस पाउच से बाहर आता है. क्लियर? So this is the case of the kangaroo. Now the baby develops inside the mother's body for several weeks. When the baby is born, the mother feed with her own milk and looks after it. तो इसमें देखा होगा कि बेबी जो है वो मदर की बॉडी में ही सेवरल वीक्स तक ही डेवलप करता है, और फिर उसके बाद जब बेबी बॉर्न होता है तो वो मदर के मिल्क से ही अपना फूडिंग करता है, और फिर उसके बाद उसकी मदर ही उसकी देखभाल करती है unless and until when it grows to an adult. Clear? So as you know that two things are given, that is spiny anteater and duck-billed platypus. These two animals are laying eggs, but they are called mammals. Clear? We have understood about the one feature, that is mammal is giving birth to their young ones. But these two are the different animals which give birth, which lays egg instead of calling as a mammal. So spiny anteater and duck-billed platypus are the mammals that reproduce by laying eggs. So these two names you have to just recall it. आपको याद करने पड़ेंगे ये दोनों नाम. ठीक है? So spiny anteater, first one is spiny anteater and second one is duck-billed platypus. Is it clear? These are the two mammals which lays egg. So she cleans them and keeps them warm. Mammals also protect their babies from enemies. They also hunt food. As you know that animals are hunting food, and they are hunting the other animals for their food, for their living, right? So she cleans and keeps them warm. The mother animal is cleaning and keeping the warm to the babies, and mammal also protect their babies from enemies. They are protecting them from the enemies. They are not telling them to go out from the cave or from that nest, whatever the nest they have made it, right? And they also hunt food for them. Is it clear? Likewise, parenting is also done in the human beings. आपके मदर फादर आपकी टेक केयर तब तक करते हैं जब तक आप बड़े नहीं हो जाते, राइट? तो वही चीज है कि एनिमल्स में भी वही चीज है. अनलेस एंड अनटिल दे कम टू देयर ओन फीट, जब तक वो खुद से चलने लगते नहीं या फिर खुद फूड हंटिंग नहीं कर सकते हैं, तब तक उनके पेरेंट ही उनका हेल्प करते हैं. क्लियर? सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द चैप्टर, and you have to learn the exercises and question answers for the post periodic exam. Is it clear? These keywords and summary is not coming, so make sure you are not going to learn these summary and keywords. Is it clear? Only you have to learn exercises and question answers. In exercises, it comes fill in the blanks, tick the right option, true and false, name the following, and if there is a match the column possible. So match the column is coming, so it is coming inside the chapters. So you have to just understand the chapter well. Is it clear? In the revision. That's it for the today class, and you have to ask if you have any doubt. Thank you so much.